Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be trying on some lip products today. I'm going to give you guys my top 4 lip combos. It's going to include lip liners, lipsticks, and gloss as well. So yeah, if you want to see my top 4 lip combos, just keep watching this video. Well, we're going to start off with the nudes first, just because, you know, like the red and like the purple is going to, you know, just kind of stain my lips. We're going to just start off with the nudes, girl. We're doing some nudes, okay? So the first one I love, you guys already know, is the, this is the Tiana Taylor collection, but I love the MAC Chestnut lip liner. This is perfect for brown skin girls and dark skin girls. It has like that warm undertone. It's deep enough. It doesn't look like my skin tone. You know, so I love this pencil, and if you are lighter than me, you can use strip down, or you can even use cork, which I will list below as well. Dark skin brown girls should have this lip liner. I'm telling you, look at it. It glides on perfectly. One of my favorite is from the Maraiah Carey collection. This one isn't available, but I will put something similar down below. And this is in the color Bit of Bubbly. It looks like this. It's like a really pretty nude. This is one of my favorites. Ooh, this is one of my favorites. One of my favorites. I had woke up, caught the bus to the mall for this collection. Remember, you had to like wake up and go to the MAC collection. Like MAC collections was like Jordans, okay? You had to wake up and go get the collection. Like, what happened? What happened? Yeah, this is like my favorite nude ever. And then I always top it with the gloss, which I believe this is Dream Lover. Dream Lover. And this gloss, it feels so good. Like, I'm almost out. This is like a forever. This is a forever nude. Like, you can't go wrong with this nude, okay? Like, this combo was the MAC Maraiah Carey Bit of Bubbly, Dream Lover lip gloss, and the MAC's Chestnut lip liner. So pretty. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I love it. I love this color. This combo. This is what's it, okay? This color is what's up. So this is the MAC nude. This is my go-to nude, one of my favorite nudes, and I think it's beautiful. So yes. So now we're gonna go on to the next combo, okay? This is a good old Neutrogena white. Now it's time for our second nude, the Charlotte Tilbury No. 3 Intense from Pillow Talk. Charlotte's finally getting the picture. She's finally getting the picture to get some more colors, girl. So we're going to be using this one. It's her Pillow Talk, and it's in the No. 3. And this is a lip cheat. Her lip cheats are waterproof. Note that they're waterproof, so they're good for eating, kissing. They're good for multiple activities. I feel like Charlotte was inspired maybe by Chestnut. What do you guys think? This is a different pencil, different color, different line, but it's giving me very much Chestnut. Is the Charlotte Pillow Talk in No. 3 Intense nude in the color Sis. Not sis, not you, but sis. So we're gonna be using this one. This one is from MAC. This one is gonna be more of like that warm brown tone nude. The light isn't really doing it justice, but it's like a brown tone nude. And we're gonna just put Told you, I'm coming through with the nudes. I got you. Like, I'm coming through with the good nudes. Not an ashy nude, not a powdered on that nude, not an opaque, I got one lip color type of nude. I'm coming through with the good nudes for you, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Like, you can wear this alone. You don't even need a gloss. So I'm gonna need for, because if you're not black and you're watching this, if you're not dark skinned, if you're white, okay, you can come here too. You can pass this video down to your mother-in-law, sister-in-law, your black best friend girl. You know, you can let them know, like, look, I'm white, but I know how to get a nude for dark skinned people because I watch JRENNA's video. Okay, so we're just gonna top it off with the Fenty gloss, and I believe this is in Fussy. No, this is Sweet Mouth. So it's a Fenty gloss and Sweet Mouth. We're just gonna be topping it with this, even though we don't even need a topper. Like, this nude is bomb already. FYI, Fenty glosses are amazing. They're non-sticky, super comfortable, and they also give you like a little bit of color depending on like which one that you choose. Fenty glosses are amazing. Tilbury Intense Nude number 3. Lipstick in the color Sis and the satin finish. Fenty Beauty Sweet Mouth lip gloss as well. Pretty. As this nude is a go. I'm just gonna use the same wipe from Neutrogena. Going into the color, I'm gonna give you guys a red and a purple. I feel like red is good for like all year round, holiday, fall, like the seasons. And I'm also gonna give you like a purple because purple looks great on multiple people, no matter if you're dark skin or light skin. I think purple and reds look amazing on people. So we're just going to go in and I'm going to be showing you guys the purple one first. And we're going to be using the same lip liner. Like, I kind of wanted to keep it to like a minimum. I don't want to have like 20 or like 10, like not 20, not too much, like 10 different like lip liners. You know, you want to keep it to like a minimum. Like, it's just too much for the people. So I just really wanted to keep it, you know, decent, small, compacted, bearable, understandable, you know. I'll be going in with one of my favorite lip liners. This is the lip liner in Night Moth by MAC. It is like a deep dark berry purple color. I first learned about this from Miss Rush Posh years ago. MAC has amazing lip products. Like, I feel like they're still outbeated. Like, can't nobody beat them with the lip products. You just can't. Like, look at that. To a color I know MAC has for sure. It's the color Stone. This is going to be like a cool tone, super cool tone purple shade. One of my fave colors ever. Combos. And I had learned this one from like a makeup artist. I forgot her name. It's like Jerica or something. This is a Tinks makeup, and I learned this combo from her. I'm in my headband situation because, you know, I want to put more heat on my leave out, you know? Like, I'm not trying to have no high school broken ends, baby. But, yes, like Moth by MAC lip liner. Stone from MAC Cosmetics lipstick. And we don't even have a gloss. We're just leaving it how it is. And I think this color is beautiful. I know that some lighter skin complexion females like to wear purples, but look, purple looks great on lighter skin. Like, let's not go there. And remove this little situation of our lips, girl. Neutrogena. Love them. I use this pack right here. The dark blue, the night compact. I feel like it's more who's the word? I feel like it's more hydrating. if you ask me. We're going with that same lip liner. We are not switching lip liners, boo. We're going to just outline our lips again, and we're going to be applying our red. Feel free to over dry your lips too if you want. It'll save you a lip filler. This is one of my favorite. It's the Fenty Uncensored. This one is amazing. It's a liquid lip. I've used it in a previous video. I'll link it up there below. And this one is like my all-time favorite, you guys. So since I use this one already, I'm going to just go in and use a different one. The Riri Woo. This one is not available, but you can just get the Riri Woo. And this one is the Riri Woo. It's a matte. And this one is really beautiful. It's like that red, like the blue red undertone, like a true red. And I love it. It kind of reminds me of her new Fenty Beauty one. But, you know, this will do. Oh, this is so smooth. This glides on a minute. Oh my god, this glides on so good. I didn't even need a lip brush. You guys can feel how this feels. Like this is amazing. This one is so pretty. Oh my god, this one is so gorgeous. So beautiful. So yes guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you're clicking the bell down below to get notified when I upload, because YouTube, I'm one of the people now. You need to be, you know. For watching, I enjoyed this video. If you want to see more lip product videos, please comment on the pinned comment below. Thank you guys so much. I will link everything down in the description box. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video once again, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ross on the beat, he be blasting. I'm going, I'm leaving.